This piece of paper, it can buy you food, a house, a life, but the human standing in front of you might not be trusted at all. Why do we trust paper more than humans? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll question everything you think you know about money. Look at this. It's just a piece of paper, cotton, linen, ink, nothing more. You can't eat it, you can't live in it. If you're cold, burning it gives about 3 seconds of warmth. Now, look at this. Same paper, same materials, but people wake up at 6 a.m. every day for 40 years. They betray friends, they start wars, they build empires for it. If aliens visited Earth, they'd think we're insane. Why do these monkeys worship the green paper? And here's the crazy truth. This paper is the most successful psychological trick in human history. Thousands of years ago, there was no money. People trusted each other. You had grain, someone else had milk, you exchanged. Simple. But problems appeared. What if they cheat? What if they disappear tomorrow? What if they don't need what you offer? Trust started breaker. I want shoes. I offer you a chicken. You? Vegan, or maybe you already ate your lunch. I need a table. I run around, I barter with the carpenter, I carry a heavy table and hope you still have those shoes. It sucks. Economists call it the double coincidence of wants. In simple terms, barter is exhausting. Humans needed a cheat code, something neutral, something universally desired. Enter gold. Why gold? Why not copper? Why not uranium? Well, uranium kills you. Iron rusts. Silver tarnishes. But gold? Gold is boring. It stays shiny forever. Rare, but not too rare. Suddenly, I don't need to know what you want. I give you the shiny metal. You take it because you know someone else will take it. We stopped trusting humans and started trusting the rock. But gold is heavy. Want to buy a house? Carry 50 pounds across town. Get robbed? It's gone. So, humans invented the modern trick. In the Middle Ages, people got tired of lugging gold. They went to goldsmiths, keepers of safes. Keep my gold, give me a receipt. And then, one day, a baker accepted that paper instead of gold. The paper promised gold, and humans believed it. Money became a lie. We stopped trading real value and started trading symbols. Every dollar, pound, rupee once said, I promise to pay the bearer on demand the sum of gold. Until 1971, governments realized if people trust the paper, why keep gold? And just like that, fiat money was born. Here's the truth. Money has no real value. You cannot eat it, drink it, survive with it. It works because humans believe. The same system behind laws, borders, religions. If everyone stops believing, money is just paper again. Why do we trust it? Because money is predictable, emotionless, consistent. Humans lie, break promises, change. Money doesn't. It will never say, I didn't mean it. Our brains prefer certainty over kindness. That's why contracts exist, salaries exist. Numbers feel safer than words. Today, money isn't even paper. It's numbers on a screen. Yet, we work 10 hours a day for it, fight for it, lose sleep for it. Some even lose their humanity. Bitcoin, digital wallets, online payments, the same trick, the same belief. Ask yourself, if money disappeared tomorrow, would humans trust humans again? Or have we replaced trust with systems forever? The answer will surprise you. In our next video, we'll explore something even deeper. What happens to the human body after death? Because just like money, death is something everyone believes in, but no one truly understands. Subscribe, because some questions deserve answers.